Hey guys, it's Jenny Wolek with the Wolek Group, Keller Realty in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I wanted to chime in today and talk real quick about getting out of production. I know that so many of us dream of that day of seventh leveling where we get to say that we're out of production. Well, in fact, the truth is we are never, ever really out of production until we sell off our business and have nothing to do with it. And I wanted to share this because so many times we hear that that's what everyone's going for, and they can be striving for hitting these really big numbers, having tons and tons of production, and their bank account is suffering or their profit percentage is dismal. And so when we are planning our own businesses and our own lives and setting our goals for our personal and business successes, we need to remember that we are a business and we must run our real estate team and business like a business. That means watching our P&L and our bottom line. And if we choose to not work with buyers anymore or not work with sellers anymore, we are still solely responsible for the profit of the business. So if that means getting back into production and taking a listing every now and then, or working with a referred client, buyer friends that you'd like to work with, that's okay. I remember having in my early days of building a team, I felt like, oh, I told them that they get all the business. Well, I don't think I had ever told them. It was just this monkey in my brain that was not allowing me to see that I still have to take ownership of the bottom line. And that may mean different seasons of the year, different seasons of the team. That means we may need to help out some buyers and sellers, because at the end of the day, that's how we built our business, was by being great at helping lots of buyers and sellers. So I trust that this is helpful. Of course, it's ever changing. Our businesses are never the same, and no business is like any other real estate business. We all get to do the best that we can do and work towards that goal of being profitable, because that's what it's about. If you're not making money, then why are you doing this? Let me know if you need anything, 918-706-9845. Bye.